This is for Euro USD. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the overall trend of the market is down. Price is making lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower high structure. That means we are only looking for selling opportunity on Euro USD. So this was the 50% retracement level we've marked. We identified that whenever price push like this, whenever we have a strong candle that stretch like this, there's a higher chance price will pull back to 50% of its move before finally continuing in that same direction. So all we are waiting for is for 50% retracement. One price to pull back deep into this level, and this is where we will be taking the sell, placing our stop loss above for a continuation back down. Because overall trend is down, we are only looking for selling opportunity on Euro USD. So if you want to be part of our VIP trading signal group, where we drop daily high probability signal on gold, Bitcoin USD, Pound JPY, US oil, and other top major currency pairs, check out the video description. There's a WhatsApp and a Telegram link. Click on the link, you get added to the group.